Hi, my name is Namanve and I am from Msichana, Uganda. Msichana, Uganda makes reusable sanitary pads that help the girls to keep them in school. And we are here supported by UIRI, Uganda Industrial Research Institute in Namanve. And why are we making the pads? It's because we used to go to the different schools, different communities, and we found that one of the reasons as to why some girls miss school and eventually get pregnant and eventually also drop out of school is because of lack of access to sanitary pads. Well, some of them say they didn't have fees, but the majority was because they lacked access to sanitary pads. So as Msichana, we started doing this because we know we may not be able to get the school fees for the students, but we can do something about the pads. So we started making reusable sanitary towels. We started out by just teaching the girls to make, but we realized that was not sustainable because the girls got the skills, but they didn't have the materials to make the pads that would help them. We would teach them, they use the normal clothes to make the shape that they'll still use and leak, and that caused embarrassment, and that's why some of them eventually dropped out of the school. So we reached out to UIRI and we've been able to make these reusable sanitary pads here in Namanve, and our tagline, or the things that we look at, the attributes about Msichana Pads, we use the acronym of HEAD. So they are hygienic, eco-friendly. Why eco-friendly? Because everything from the pads to the packaging is eco-friendly. This is a pack of 3 reusable pads, and they're also affordable. And also, last thing is they are very durable. Why? They take a girl 2 years. So when someone buys a pack of 3 pads, they actually keep a girl in school for 3 years or for 2 years maximum, depending on the hygiene of the girl. That's why we usually, when we take these pads, we explain to the girls, how do you keep the pads, how do you wash the pad, how do you hide the pads to dry, and all those things. So we are very excited to be on this journey with UIRI here at Namanve, and they have just introduced us to a program from Imuka Access that is going to help us bridge the gap when it comes to finances, because sometimes you're passionate about the project, the business, but then you don't know how to handle the finances, or you don't know what to do exactly. So we are excited to get on this journey to work on our finances with Imuka Access on this journey as we better our finances and then be able to access the funding as well. Thank you so much for having me.